Hello everybody, how are you doing? I wish that you are okay. Today we are going to solve polynomial to the power 4 using the discriminant formula of me, of course. We'll start learners. Let's see the polynomial to the power 4. So you can see it out. Okay. Start. Okay, this is the polynomial to the power 4. I'm going to solve this polynomial to the power 4 learners, okay? We'll try to use the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. So this is can be read as p of x equal x raised to the power 4 minus 44x raised to the power 3 plus learners 401 x squared, okay, plus 1826 raised to the power 2, of course, okay, plus 1722.25, okay. So, and these learners are the coefficient of this polynomial. You can see n minus 1 for the q is 1, L0 for the q is 44, the opposite of negative 44, L1 for the q learners is 401, and L2 for the q is the opposite sign of 1826, means negative, and L3 is equal 1722.25. Okay, so this is the coefficient of this polynomial. You are going to use, of course, learners the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. It is written in front of you. Okay. This is the formula, learners. It's very important. You can't solve any polynomial without this one. Okay. Okay. So I will start working with you now. So this is sk minus 1 over the r equal the sum from 0 to k, combination n minus r, choose k minus r, and raised to the power r times, between parentheses, negative L0 for the q raised to the power k minus r times lk l r minus 1 for the q. Okay. So this one is very important. Okay, learners, it's very important. You should apply this formula. It will help you to find, let's say, the it will help you to find learners. Okay, come there, like that. Enter. It will help you to solve, let's say, any polynomial to the power 4. Okay. Okay. I will make it here. Okay. Like that. Okay. So this one is gonna be the formula of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. So start working now, learners. Means that you are going to find the coefficient of the new polynomial that has a relationship between the first one. Okay, that's a moment, learners. This one. So, learners, I'll put it here if it's possible. Okay, this one is going to be the discriminant formula of May. I'm going now to find the value of s minus 1, learners. You already know about it because I gave you some previous lessons. How can you find s minus 1? Just replace in the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, replace k equals 0, you will get this one. Okay, you will get s minus 1 of the r is always equal to 1. Okay. Now learners, I'm going to focus on the second one, means I'm going to try to find, let's say, the value of S0. We told before that S0 for any point to the power n is 0 because the sum of x roots is equal to 0 immediately. Okay, I'll just make a copy for this because I need this one. Okay, comes enter. Okay. Copy. We told that use the discriminant formula. Use the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi to find the value of s minus 1, then s0, then s1, then s2, then s3. Okay. Okay. Now we proceed, learners. Continue. So we told that I'm going to focus on the discriminant formula of me, which is this. Okay. Okay. So when k equal 1, I'm going to replace k here in the discriminant formula of me. Okay. The value of k equal 1 to find S0 for the cube. Okay. Therefore, learners, when k equals 0, you can see that S1 minus 1 is 0. S0 of all the r, it's written here. Equal the sum from 0 to k. K is 1. Okay, sum from 0 to k. K is 1. Times the same. Combination n minus r. Combination n minus r. Choose k minus 1. K minus r, sorry. K is 1, so it will be 1 minus r. Times n raised to the power r. Times between parentheses negative L0 for the q raised to the power k minus 1. K is 1, means here it's written 1 minus r. Times Lr minus 1 for the q. Okay. Now learners, just substitution. Okay. We will see that S0 for the q should be equal to combination n choose 1, n raised to the power 0 times negative L0 for the q raised to the power 1 times n minus 1 for the q. This one it told that is 1 plus combination n minus 1 choose 0. This is also is 1 times n raised to the power 1 is n times between parentheses minus L0 for the q raised to the power 0 is 1 times L0 for the q. So you can see this is common factor, L0 for the q, and here L0 for the q. So it will be n minus n times L0 for the q. So n minus n is what is 0. Okay. Okay. Now learns I'm going to continue. Okay. I'll make like that. I will just focus on the last formula. Okay. The last formula is that minus combination n choose 1 times L0 for the q plus n L0 for the q. I will just going to use my calculator, okay, to see the value of L0 for the q. Okay, so at least everyone try to prepare his own or her own calculator. Okay. Okay. This is my calculator. I will let's make calculator. Okay, calculator. Calculator, Mr. Mourad. If it is possible, yes. Calculator, scientific calculator. Okay, last one. Okay. So this is it's an opportunity for you learners, students, professors, teachers, whatsoever. Okay, to learn from you. Okay, to learn from you and me. Okay, I'm going to calculate these terms to find the value of 0. 0 in fact we call that is 0. Okay, using the last expression that had been simplified, which is in fact 0. Okay, but I'm going to replace 0 with its value and n with 4. Okay, I'm going to wait. We call the negative 4 times 44 times 1 because 0 for the n minus 1 for the q is 1. Okay, you can ignore this step, no problem. But I'm going to call that negative 4, Mr. Mourad, times what? Times 44 times 1. Okay, okay, plus what? Plus 4 times itself. Plus 4 times 44. Okay, this one learns is equal to 0. Okay, so the value of S0 for the R always is 0 for any polynomial to the power n. Okay, because the sum of x roots of this new polynomial that we'll get is 0. Okay, meaning that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 0. That's why 0 for the R is 0. Okay, continue. The next learners, now we found at least 2 values, 2 coefficients. Comes there. Okay, so here learners, we told that okay, to obtain the value of S1, okay, you just replace K with 2 in the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. This is the discriminant formula, means that you are going to put K here equal to, therefore S2 minus 1 will give you S1. Okay, the sum from 0 to 2, why? Because K is 2 times combination n minus r, choose K minus r, K is 2, that's why it's written 2 minus r times n raised to the power r, between parentheses, times negative, we call the negative S0 for the q raised to the power K minus r, K is 2, you see here, that's 2. That's why it's written 2 times LR minus 1 for the cube equal. Now I'm going to expand this one, okay? So, then I'm going to just focus on the last part, which is the formula. This one, I mean, S1. Okay, we told just continue like that till okay. Now learners, you can see that when R equals 0, we get combination and choose 2 times negative L0 for the cube raised to the power 2 minus 0 is 2 times R is 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 of all the cube, plus when R equals 1, we get n combination minus 1 choose 1 between parentheses negative L0 for the cube raised to the power 1 times L0 for the cube. When R equals 2 and the last one, it will be n raised to the power 2 times combination minus 2 choose 0, this is 1, times also this is 1 because negative 0 for the q raised to the power 0 is 1, okay, because this one is different to 0 raised for any value, let's say different to 0 raised to the power 0 is 1 raised times L1 for the q, okay. Now after simplifying, I will just focus on the last one, S1 equal learners L0 for the cube squared times combination n choose 2 minus n combination n minus 1 choose 1 plus n raised to the power 2 times L1 for the cube. Therefore, the last formula will give you the following. Okay, will give you the following, which is very important terms. Okay, I will just replace it here. Okay, second class. It will be equal negative combination n choose 2 times L0 for the q raised to the power 2 plus n squared times L1 for the q. Now just substitution terms. I will substitute L0 with its value and L0 with its value and what and learns L1 with its value. Means that you can see that will be combination 4 choose 2. Why? Because n is 4. The highest power of this polynomial is 4. Okay, times L0 for the q is 44 raised to the power 2 plus 4 squared times L401. Okay, sure, 401. I'll check here. 401 is Mourad, sure. Okay, comes here. Yes, 401. Yes, 400. Okay. We continue learns. So it's important for you to train yourself to understand polynomial function or equation. Okay? Even if I have time, I will tell you the secret about, or I will give you Contrary example for carbon method, okay, meaning that method carbon is wrong, okay. I will give you one day an example for explaining this for you, okay. But now I'm going to focus on this, okay. So we call that for k. Now for k learners, for k equal 3, we are going to find S2. First of all, try to calculate S1 learners. Okay, S1, this is your calculator. Okay, let's check this if it works. Okay, it works. This is your calculator learners. We told that negative 4 choose 2 is 6, negative 6. There is the previous one, minus 6, times learns 44 squared. Okay, because here it's 44 squared plus 4 squared means 16 plus 4 squared. I will write it as it is to understand. Times L1 is 401. Okay. So this one has to be equal to learners negative 5,200, and this one is negative 5,200. Okay. Now I'm going to focus on the value of S2. Okay. The value of S2. I'm going to try to find the value of this. Okay. Okay. Learners, I will come here. Write first my formula, my discriminant formula of me. Okay, that will be used after to find the value of what learners of of S2. Okay, you can see that for k equal 3, we'll obtain by using the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, which is that sk minus 1 of r equal the sum from 0 to k combination n minus r, k minus r, choose n raised to the power r between parentheses, negative 0 for the q raised to the power k minus r times l r minus 1 for the q. Okay. So this one learns, in fact, just replace k or set k equal 3 here. We will get S2R because S3 minus 1 R is S2R equal the sum from 0 to k. K is 3. Combination n minus r, choose k minus r. K is 3. That's why it's 3 minus r. N raised to the power r times between parentheses negative 0 for all the k minus 3. K is 3 times Lr minus 1. Okay. Just now expand or simplify this formula. Okay. To get the value of S2. Okay. I will just focus on the last one. Okay, which is this. Okay. And this I will change the color to be the green color. Sorry. To be yellow. Okay. Yellow. Yes, yellow. Okay. Therefore, learners, you can see that when k equal 3, I will just write the formula as this, combination n choose 3 times negative 0 for the q raised to the power 3 times L minus 1 for the q. This is 1. Plus when r equal 1, we get n combination n minus 1 choose 2 minus L0 for the q raised to the power 2 times L0 for the q plus combination n minus 1 choose 1 n raised to the power 2 times negative L0 for the q raised to the power 1 times L1 for the q. You can see that L0 for the q raised to the power 3 is a common factor. Here L0 for the q raised to the power 3. The minus becomes here. Then this minus will disappear simply because the power is even number. L0 for the q squared times L0 for the q is L0 for the q raised to the power 3. That's why this is a common factor. I'll just focus on the last one. Meaning that I will focus on the yellow one, which is the formula that had been found and simplified when putting k equal 3 in the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Therefore, the S2 is L0 for q raised to the power 3 times a minus combination n choose 3 plus n combination n minus 1 choose 2 minus combination n minus 2, choose 1, n squared, L0 for the cube, times L1 plus n cubed times L2 for the cube. Okay, we can simplify this, learners, as that. You see this one, minus combination n choose 3 plus n combination n minus 1 choose 2 is written as combination 2 choose 1 minus 2 times combination n choose 3 times L0 for the cube is 4 3 minus combination n minus 2 choose 1 n squared times L0 times L1 plus n cubed times L2. Okay, so this formula is 2 of order R. It's written like that for any polynomial to the power n. Ln, this is the n. Okay, S2 just you need only 3 coefficients. You need n minus 1, n L0, and L1, and L2. Okay, 4 coefficients. The fourth coefficient of the polynomial to the power n that you are working with to find the value of S2. Okay, now I will focus on this, learners. I would like to find what? I would like to find the value of S2. Okay, learners, I think that it's clear for you. Just using your calculator. This is my own calculator. I will erase the value of S1. Now I'll start to find the value of S2. Okay, we told combination 2 choose 1. Okay, times combination n choose 3. N is 4. So 2 times 3, 4 will be 8. Times L0 for Q is to the power 3 means 44 is to the power 3 minus combination 4 minus 2 is 2 choose 1 is certainly 2 times L0 for times n squared, n is 4 times L0 for Q that is 44 times L1 that is 401 plus 4 cubed because the n is 4 raised to the power 3 times L2 is negative, you can see this one, L2 is negative 1826. I will use my calculator, I will just write 8 times 11 is 44 raised to the power what? Raised to the power Mr. Mourad. Okay, good man. Okay, 3 minus 2 times 16 or minus 2 times 4 squared, I will write it as it is. Okay. Times 44 times 401. 44, 401. Okay. Plus 4 squared, 4 cubed, plus 4 cubed, 4 cubed, raised to the power 4 cubed, yes, means 4 raised to the power 3, times what, learners? Times negative 1826. Okay, times Mr. Mourad, if it is possible, times yes, plus 4 cubed times, yes, negative 1826, close parentheses. Okay, so this one has to be equal, what terms equals 0. The value of S2 equals 0. Okay, I will proceed. Now I'm going to try to find the value of what? The value of S3, the last one. Okay, last step. Okay. Okay. I will focus on the last one, which is very important. Okay. So, learners, set K equals 0 where? In the decimal formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. This is the decimal formula. Okay, without this you cannot solve any polynomial to the power 3, 4, and so on. There are other relationships, other formula learners solving to the power n. Okay, but now I'm focusing on learning you how to work with polynomial. Okay, and after that, well, I'm going to give other methods. Okay, for solving polynomial to the power n. Okay, of course using this one. Okay, because any polynomial to the power n, if you would like to work with, should go through the discrete formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay? And I already published so many books, okay? Yeah, okay, dealing with solving from to the power n. And also, we can also solve linear equation. Okay, means xn like that. I will try to. Okay, means xn plus, for example, a xn minus 1 plus b xn minus 2 plus c xn minus 3 plus. Okay? Now learns going to work out the value of S2. Okay? The value of S2, Mr. Mourad. Okay. You can say that when k equal 4, you will obtain S4 minus 1 will give you 3. The sum from 0 to k is 4, will be the sum from 0 to 4. Combination n minus r choose k minus r. K is 4. Combination n minus r choose 4 minus r. N raised to the power r times minus a0 of O the q raised to the power k minus 1 k minus r k is 4. That's why it's certain. Negative a0 of q raised to the power 4 minus r times lr minus 1 of the q. After simplifying this expression, learners, I will just focus on the last one, which is this. S3 of order R equal negative combination 1, 3 choose 1, combination n choose 4, L0 for q is to the power 4, plus combination n minus 2 choose 2, n squared, L0 for q squared, times L1 for q minus combination n minus 3 choose 1, n raised to the power 3 times L0 for q raised to the power 1 times L2 for q plus n4 or n raised to the power 4 times L3 for the q. This formula, learners, is applied for any polynomial to the power n. Okay? Means this formula S3 you will work with to work out the value of S3 of any polynomial. And here we have polynomial to the power 4. I'll just replace n with 4. Combination 4 choose 4 is 1. Okay? Combination 4 minus 2 is 2. Means combination 2 choose 2 is 1. Then combination 4 minus 3 is 1. Combination 1 choose 1 is 1. Okay, means I'm going to simplify. Okay, to simplify this, all of them are equal to 1. Okay, except 3 choose 1. Okay, now I will try to use my calculator. I will raise this. We have learned negative 3 choose 1 means negative 3 times L0 of all the q raised to the power, this is 4 choose 4 is 1, times L0 for the q is 44 raised to the power 4 times Mr. Mourad times 44 raised to the power 4. Correct. After that we have plus, this is 1, 2 choose 2 because n is 4, n minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, choose 2 is 1. I will just focus on this. N squared means 4 squared plus 4 squared times what? Times learners, L0 for q squared means 44 squared times 40 times 44 squared times L1. L1 is 401 times 401. Okay. Then minus combination 1 choose 1 is 1. Why? Simply because n is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this value is equal to 1 times n cubed means we wrote minus, now we can write minus 4 raised to the power 3 means 64. 3 times what learns times L0 for the q. L0 is 44 times 44 times L2. L2 is negative 1826 times between parentheses negative 1826. Then I should close this parenthesis. Okay. Plus n raised to the power 4, n is 4, 4 raised to the power 4, plus 4 raised to the power 4, times what learners, times L3. L3 is 1722.25, times 1722.25. This one has to be equal to, okay, 6,760,000. Okay, I will go down to check the value of S3. So S3 we told, okay, S3 is 6,000,000, okay, 760,000, like that. Okay, now I'm going to write my new polynomial. Okay, to solve your original polynomial learners, you should follow these steps. Okay, after finding your new polynomial, okay, that has a relationship with the first one, the original polynomial equation that you started with, okay, now I'm going to focus on this new polynomial. Okay. Therefore, learners, you can note that all the formula of this new polynomial are equal to 0, which are S0 is 0, S2 is 0. Okay, I'll just replace this with R equal to NL. R O N, okay, R equal to 0, okay, to 0, okay. Except what learners, except S minus 1 and S1 and S3. Except learners the formula of S minus 1, which is 1, S1 for the Q, which is negative 5,200, and S3 for the R is 7,670,000. Okay. Okay. Now learners, I'm going to write my new polynomial. You see this one? T of x equal x raised to the power 4 minus S0 for the R times x raised to the power 3 plus S1 for the R, x squared, minus S2 for the R, x plus S3 for the R equals 0. And S0 is 0, while S2 is 0. It remains only S1 and S3. So P of x equals x raised to the power 4 minus 5,200 x squared. Okay. X squared. Okay, no problem. Okay, x squared plus what terms? Plus without 7,000 plus 7 million and 670. Okay, thousand. Okay, equal what? Equal 0. Okay, how do we erase this one? No need. Okay. So just check this calculator. 6, okay, yes, 6,760. 6,760. 6,760. Okay, like that. Okay. 6 million, okay, 760, correct. Okay, now I will use my calculator to work out the value of S1 for the R. Okay. I mean, I will show you something, learners. I will just, okay, I'll come there. I will show you secret. Okay, come there. Enter. You see, I will now try to find the value of S. Okay, I will copy. Then I will go down. Okay, I will write this one. You see, I will set here learns this polynomial is to the power 4. Okay. So as the S0, S2 is 0 class, no need to find S1 and S2 and S3 because we got it. I will suppose U equal X squared. Means it will be U squared minus 5,200 times U plus 6,760,000 equals 0. Then I will use the second formula of mean of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. You will see the secret. Okay. Learners, you see, I will just replace here what? Okay, now I'm going to focus on S1 only. Okay. S1 is from 0 to what? Or I did it before. Okay, now I will repeat it. Okay, 2. This is 2. Okay, this is 2. This one learners, I told that equal immediately equal combination minus, I will use this one. I will try to use, okay, no problem. Then I will use this one. Why it doesn't come? No, okay, no problem. I will write equal minus combination Mr. Mourad. Okay, and choose 2. Okay, and this one is gonna be C times what? Times L0 times I will write this one. Okay, also I will write this. We told minus n choose 2. Okay, minus n choose 2 times L for the q is the power 2 plus n squared plus, I will take all of this, no problem. Okay, plus n squared, this is becomes n squared. Okay, this one I need to write it, I will write it, times L1. Okay, let's see the formula of this of S1 for polynomial to the power n. Okay, here we told that I will set U equal X squared, means that I'm going to get 2 into the power 2. Therefore, n here is equal to what? Is equal to 2. This one has to be equal. I will make like that. Copy. Equal. When n equal 2, because this is 2. Okay, combination 2 choose 2 is 1. Times L0 for 2 is power 2 plus n squared times L1. You can see this one is equal to negative the discriminant formula that you already know about it. Okay, but this one is a general formula for any polynomial to the power n. Okay, this is S1 of order R dash. I will make here R dash. Okay, to understand from where we got R dash. This is R dash. Okay, there learns R dash equal negative L0 for the q squared plus n squared times L1 for the q. As there is a negative sign, I will suppose that S1 R dash equal, this one is S1 for the R. Of course, this one, I will write it here. Okay, copy. And then I will just raise the dash first. Okay. Now learners, this is the discriminant formula. Now S1 of order R dash equal what? Equal negative S1 of order R squared. Okay, I will square this number. Okay, plus 4 S1 of order R. Okay, I'll just try to. Okay, I will. Okay, I will make like that. Okay, this is 2. This is S1 of order R dash plus what? You see this one? N is 2 now. Okay, it will be 4. 4 times L1 is clear. Okay, but here I will work this with S1 for the R. Okay, clear? Of course, this one now we thought that's wrong. It comes like that. Okay, this is S3, of course, S3. Okay, now I will use this one. It will be negative. We thought minus S1 for the R squared plus 4 S1 for the R equal negative. Negative 5,000 squared plus 4 times 6,760,000. This one is equal to 0. Okay, I will go with this one. Okay, I can write it here, no problem. I will write equal. Okay, I will take this again because I need it. Equal what learners? Okay, equal negative. Okay, between parentheses, this one right. Negative 5,200, close the parentheses, and read this. Okay, no problem. I will read this. This one I need. Okay, and this one is 2. Okay, plus 4 times what? Plus 4 times 6,706 million. 7 times 3 times Mr. Mourad is times. Excellent. 9 times. 3 times. Yes. Times total 6,760,000. Okay. Equal 0. Okay, means that we get double root. Okay. Therefore, learners, I will use my calculator first to calculate this. I'll multiply this by 4 minus 5,200 squared. We hope so it is equal to 0. Okay, I will close this one. Minus, I will close this one. Okay, can see if it is possible. I will put it here. How do we do this? Okay. Okay. Control X. I will erase this. Okay. Why it doesn't come with no. No, Control V. Okay. So learners, we call that. Continue. Sorry. Again, sorry, Mr. Mourad. Okay, we told the value of S1 of order R is equal to 0. Okay, now I I will just write the formula to get x0. You can see that x squared, because here it's going to the power 4, okay, that will have 4 x roots. The x roots, the first one is x squared equal negative s1 over r, which is negative 5200, plus root of negative s1 over r, because this is a negative, we gave a negative sign, divided by 2. So to be negative, this is negative, negative 5200 will be positive, divided by 2, it will be 2600 exponential 2ik pi, because minus 1 squared is 1. So, and 1 squared is 1. I will write it in terms of complex number, okay, the unit circle. So, therefore, if x squared equal 2600 exponential 2ik pi, therefore, x subscript k belongs to 0, 1 is root of 2600 exponential 2ki pi divided by 2 will give you exponential ik pi. You can see that, okay, you can write it as 4 times 162.5 exponential ik pi. Means here we have two roots, k, when k equals 0, we get a real number, a real root, real x root. When k equals 1, we will get also 0, okay, 1, we will get negative this number. It means negative 4 root of 162.5. Therefore, the roots alpha subscript k between 0 and 1 is equal 44, because as 0 42 plus this root, okay, plus negative 4 root of 162.5 exponential ik pi over 4. 44 divided by 4 is 11. Then 4 divided by 4 will get only 11 plus negative exponent, 1000 root of 162.5 exponential ik pi. Okay? Okay, I will just stop here. Okay. Okay, now learners. Okay, thank you for watching this, and try to learn by using this formula. It's very important for you, okay? Okay, just so you make like that. Go back. Go back. Okay. And these are the roots. I wish I got the pointers. It's very important for you to understand how we solve into the power 4 ek. We can also solve this problem by extending its power. Means I can solve by x6, x7, x8. Okay, but for you now, you should train yourself how to solve into the power 4. Okay. Thank you for listening, learners. I will just save this one. Save this one, Mourad. Okay. Inshallah, tomorrow or after tomorrow, I will handle with polynomial to the power 7. I will try to give you examples how can you solve polynomial to the power 7 and 8. Okay, 9 and 10, okay? We hope so you will be benefited. Okay, close this one. I will close this. Okay, I come there. Okay, I wish you got the point, learners. How can you, let's say, solve to the power 4 ak and so on. Thank you and goodbye. Sorry for disturbing you, okay?